is the Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. Talks about niggas Crypto and Crypto. We got these indicators, don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know, we're making Crypto and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe, we're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't wanna trade crypto no more. If you don't understand that emotion, will take you to another place, and now you'll chase the red candle, can't stand you. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high.
Wall Street Pete. Sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Good morning, Rising Sun. Good morning, Mr. Sellner. I thought he'd be in sleepy land by now. Good morning, Mr. Gary. And yeah, I've been sick all weekend, so I don't know if you can hear it in the voice. Probably not. I have such a deep voice. Here we go. Excuse me. So, if you wouldn't mind, you watch the show, become a subscriber today. We're looking for 2.k subscribers, if you may. Let's get into the show. Lots to talk about today. Apparently, 1.1 trillion. I like that. So, total crypto market cap for CoinGecko. Let's do a little bit of refresh there because we don't have that up here. I have 1.08 for the crypto market cap here. Up 2%. Pretty exciting, and how I think 30,000 could possibly be what we're looking for here as a top for Bitcoin. And the only way I'm going to take this super serious is if we start breaking that. So I want people to understand, we talked about the exponential moving ribbon average, the EMA, the ribbon. And if you pay attention, this is exactly what happened on the forwardly. So we were down here on the yellow. It's very important to pay attention. The yellow ribbon has flipped, and now here is the flip part. So we pay attention to that because that does obviously change the entire trend. And as you can see, we're getting the next leg up. So it is showing in proof of some type of bull trend here coming through, long boring sideways action all the way from August 17th of 2023. So please, I don't say this enough, I feel like, or maybe sometimes people say you say it too much. Hit the like and subscribe. If you don't hit the subscribe, hit the fucking like button, please, if you're already subscribed. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. You don't know how awesome and how helpful just the like button. People think it's crazy. I'm not giving this man money. I'm not asking for money. I wish the like button didn't give me anything. It gives you like 3 cents. I wish it gave you 0. I just want the like for the algorithm to come through, to give us a chance for people to really see what we're talking about here. Every morning we come live. This weekend when we're sick, we really didn't come with any videos. Usually we take a break. Sunday video you hear, but pay attention to the leg up here. Pay attention to the big gap coming in on this trend to the downside. As you can see, I have it facing to the downside. The trend has maybe changed, but I'm still not changing the narrative. I'm looking for 24,000 still to come in, so please pay attention. That is definitely what could happen. But we're looking for a nice bounce to come up, and then somewhere around here, we could definitely hit resistance at the 28,000 or 29.6. And, I can't tell you exactly what we're going to do. I'm not Nostradamus, but I'm prepping you for what could be happening. And what I see is happening on this trend here, this line, it looks like we could come down. You see how on the volatility, why is there an EMA through here? I've never had that happen. Well, that's interesting. You see that? I have the exponential moving average ribbon coming in on my oscillator down here. I've never seen that. So looking at this in the Bitcoin dominance in the 4-hourly, I like to change to the daily. We are rising. So if you do see, I said that this was very bullish. Anything above 50, that is showing the sign of perhaps a bull market. We're going to start hovering above that and showing support. Right now it's resistance. Once we flip that, that is another narrative, another big indicator for the dominance showing that we are bullish. So let's get into it. EMA, exponential moving average. We have some volume, we have some volatility, we have some. Let's get the RSI strength. Oh, you can't have more than 2. This is insane. All right, let me get some of them out of here. So TradingView has changed a lot. I don't know if people understand. TradingView has changed so much that they're now trying to start making you pay for things. It's pretty insane. It's because well, they're getting big, and they don't want you to have too many oscillators, too many indicators. But if you pay attention to the oscillator here, we're pretty high, and I don't like this. So I do expect that this is a fake pump. This is what I'm telling people, possibly to 30,000 if we even get there. So that's what I'm trying to show you. Overbought up here. I'm trying to get rid of the EMA ribbon. It's pissing me off. You know what? Let's get into here. This should show a better look. All right, there it is. As you can see here, coming in now. As you can see right about there, this is a better chart. Overbought here. We're going to get some bearish divergence. I believe that we're going to fall through here. Now, I don't know how much because the volume is kicking in. A lot of people are getting excited. Some altcoins I do see moving. So we'll see what happens here. You have to pay attention to everything that is going on in the crypto space. But I wanted to talk to some people, right? Crypto, Bitcoin halving. We know 6 months before the halving, it gets very wild. We're just about, 40 days away from that. So October is a wonderful month. We're still 12 days out, 13 days out to just about that part happening, and I'm very bullish for that. So I just want people to understand Bitcoin Fear Greed Index is 46. And I came upon this article, and I want people to get this. This is what we do. We try to educate you. We're not giving out financial advice, but this is pretty common sense. Thing token shoots up 1,000%, and blockchain analyst says this lesser-known crypto is next. How to buy early and how to get fucked. It's like I added that part, obviously, but you got to be careful because I did my research on this. It's just like an article trying to get you to buy something. And would you like to do a mortgage, put up on BTC as collateral? I would. We'll talk about that maybe later. But I did go to the poop charts, and I thought it was very important. Poop coin, excuse me. I did poop charts on accident, and they sent me literally pieces of poops, how your stool looks, and I was like, oh my God, I must be hit the wrong button. It was poop coin. So with the poop coin, because obviously TradingView, as I was saying, is making you pay for more than 30. I have like 250. We've been doing it forever, so we were able to, I guess, beat the system before they started making us pay. But here we are now. I got a fly flying around. It's pissing me off right now, so if you hear me like going around nuts right now, that's exactly what's happening. But here we are. Poop coin, I had a thing, and they're talking about how it's moving 1,000%. It really hasn't done anything like that since I believe it was September 8th or something, or 13th. So be careful. This is ridiculous because look what it's been doing. It's sucking people's money dry, creating new lower lows all the way from the time when it first got launched, it looks like. So be very careful. That's a lot of money taken out, creating new lower lows. Looking at a 4-hourly or 12-hourly, excuse me. Everyone is a half a day there, unless you want to get to a full daily. This is a poop coin. But this is what I'm saying here. It's very important to be careful because people will get you excited. Oh, check that token out. You get in the token and thing, and you're all excited to make all these extra gains, and you're doing nothing but losing. So I would pay more close attention to this. These are the trends. These are the things I'd rather watch. Top 100, right? I don't want to get too close into the shit coins. Chainlink, there you go. It's a good asset. It's up almost 10%, 9% today. You want to find things that are layer one projects. I know we want to get to the 20 times gains, 100 times gains, 1,000 times gains. I get it. There is a FOMO that could make the price come up, but I think this is going to be a dead cat bounce. My personal opinion, this is the highest price we get to. The only thing we're going to do, and I want to make this a 10-minute video, so it sucks if I'm going really quickly. This is what I think is going to happen, and I want people to understand. We're going to get resistance here. The only way we're going to create a huge momentum, a huge FOMO into the process is if we break this price right here. So 31,471, you want to put an order to do something here once we start breaking above there. And I'm saying once we start getting to 32,000, you see the big blue line there? Once we start breaking that big blue line, that's real. That's real, guys. That's as real as it gets. So BTC ETFs are due to get approved, hopefully. I want to say in the next couple months down there. It's a wonderful topic. That's why I need more people on the show. I can't just talk to myself. I'm kind of boring sometimes. I try not to be, but it's a great conversation. That's why I love to go live with you guys. You guys are very intelligent. Mr. Sellner's tired as hell, working 100 hours a week, providing for his family, and has very, very, very limited leisure time. And he's sitting here right now, should be sleeping, watching crypto channels to hope that he can build generational wealth for his family. Now, what I see here, and I want to give you guys a valued ETA, or TA, excuse me. The ETA is going to be in 2 seconds because we got to close the channel. But we got to hurry up. But if you can see here on this trend, we're very low on the trend here, but I do see this overbought zone. So what scares me is that this is going to be a fake pump. So ultimately, trying to keep it a 10-minute video, we do have a lot of fault to come in until this is the final buy. It could be 24,000 breaking, could be 21.6, 21.5 is the real number. I don't know why I keep this here. Maybe I should just fix that, but it is what it is. You know what's going on. we prepare you for this. The last time we got this big fall, you can see here, the last time we received it, it was over here at 31,400. So that's what I'm saying. It's a big jump that we would have to break above. That's the price. That's the heads up. If we don't start doing that and breaking above this blue line, all this is bullshit. So you can see it from here all the way from May of 2022. We're talking about 12 months ago. So please hit the like button. This is really good stuff here. If we do get the same jump, that's what I was getting at before we did anything else. I'm sorry about that. It's been pretty crazy here. You can see this jump here. I'll show you in a second. We're going to do live TA. This is a beautiful measurement right here before we started FOMOing in, and look where we got here. If we were to do this, and sometimes you could just clone it, it's that simple. We're building support right here, and it looks like we got it. It looks like if we could keep going, this is it. So pay attention to what's going on. The TA is amazing. I don't know why I put it there. Sorry, that's where the price is now. But if you see where we are building the support, you put the same support where we are at the same support here for the last bounce. And if you can see, we're right about the same price as I'm predicting to be a problem here. So 31,471 is a big Bitcoin problem. S&P is looking to find resistance. We keep hitting the top here. So pay attention. Same kind of thing. I do have a fall coming. I'm very bearish divergence all over here. This is the daily. Daily, 4-hourly, it's all the same thing. Eventually, we're going to start hitting some lower lows. So we're going to come down. S&P's coming down. The Dixie looks bullish. Holy shiznick, right? Surprise. A little bit of a bearish divergence up here on the oscillator. But what's happening is we could be tailing back for another leg up. As you can see, the legs are coming in. So we'll see what happens. I got a bearish divergence here as well. RSI is pretty high. So it looks like everything could be coming down a little. But then again, like I said, this is just proving that there's a chance before we come down that 30,000, that level that we had, is most likely in the range. So I'm excited for that. So you should be excited. Looks good, guys. Coming all the way into here, pay attention. This is the top. This is great news. A lot of these crypto assets could jump. I would be very careful as far as where we go otherwise, though. If it doesn't break the 31.4, you already know this is bullshit, and the rest could be down to a fall. So as you can see, we've been pretty boring sideways action into this realm here. This is a pretty nice range, so we're going to get going. It's already a 12-minute video. My name is Wall Street Pete Sigdo in crypto. Lots to talk about in the crypto space. We'll talk more and more as the videos keep going. We'll pump more. If you hit the like button and comment what asset you'd like to go over next. Singapore has a beautiful mine. It seems like all the countries are starting to adopt crypto. So please, most important, hit the heart, hit the like. This channel is nothing without you. Gentlemen, I used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange. Traded commodities here. It was an amazing place. I do appreciate everyone's support. I do hope you have a wonderful day. Monday, you had a rough day this morning waking up. So did I. It's Monday. It's rainy over here on the East Coast. It kind of sucks. But hey, got to make it a good day, right? It's going to be a good day. Wall Street Pete Sigdo in crypto. I hope to hear from you guys soon. Hopefully we do another video and see where we go. I expect resistance coming. We're overbought here just a little bit. Pay attention to what's going on. The FOMO also can help, but it's only going to take us so far. The volume is not strong enough. Take care, guys.